Wix versus Figma. Wix and Figma serve very different purposes in the digital design world. They're not direct rivals, but tools you might use at different stages of a project. Wix is a website building platform, while Figma is a design and prototyping tool used before or alongside development. With Figma, you design and prototype your visuals, layouts, UI/UX flows, and interactions. It's ideal for collaborating with designers, testing user experiences, iterating on visuals, and preparing mockups or high-fidelity designs. Figma gives you pixel-perfect control and the ability to share interactive prototypes with stakeholders or developers. Wix, in contrast, is used to bring your design to life on the web. Once your visual concept is ready, possibly designed in Figma, you use Wix's editor to build pages, integrate functionality, add hosting, and make your design live. Wix handles hosting, front-end rendering, site infrastructure, and content management, things Figma does not. In short, use Figma to design, iterate, and prototype your website's visuals, user experience, and layout. And use Wix to convert that design into a working website with hosting, responsiveness, content, and features. You can start using Wix for free today by using the link in our description. It instantly gives you everything you need to design, customize, and launch your own professional website without spending a dime.